Welcome back to my channel. In this lecture we are going to explain the difference between object and complement. But if you are new to my channel, then subscribe the channel and like the video. Let's move and learn first object. It can be defined as: an object is a noun or pronoun that receives the action of the verb. What does it mean? Simply, it means that an object can be a noun or a pronoun which receives the action of the subject. In other words, you can say that when a person does something and the action is received by a person or thing, so that person or thing is called object of the sentence. I think you are not getting the point. So, look at these examples. The dog ate the bone. Here in this sentence the phrase, the bone, is the object. Here, it is a thing that is directly affected by the action of the verb. In this case, the verb is, ate, and the object is, the bone. The bone is the thing that is being eaten by the dog. Basically, the dog performed the action of eating and the bone receives the action, so it is the object of this sentence. The girl caught the ball. In this sentence, the ball is the direct object. The direct object is the person or thing that is directly affected by the action of the verb. In this case, the action is, caught, and the ball is the thing that is being caught. So, the ball receives an action, so this is the object in this sentence. He wrote a letter. Look at this sentence. Here, a letter is an object because the subject performs an action and an action is received by the phrase, a letter. So, here the object is, a letter. On the other hand, complement can be defined as: a complement is a word, phrase that completes the meaning of a subject or an object. Simply, it means that a complement is nothing but it can be a word or phrase that complete the meaning of either a subject or an object. As we have understood that object is receiver of an action, but a complement is not the receiver of an action, but it just completes the meaning of a subject or an object. Just look at these examples. He is happy. Here the word, happy, completes the meaning of the subject, he. So this is a subject complement. Basically, it is different from an object because it does not receive an action, but it just completes the meaning of a subject, so that is why it is a complement. Look at another example. The dish seems delicious. Here, the word, delicious, is a complement because it just completes the meaning of the subject, so it is subject complement and it does not receive any action, but it just describes the state of the dish. By describing the dish, it completes the meaning, so that is why it is a complement of this sentence. They made him a monitor. Here the word, a monitor, is a complement, but the question is how. The answer is because it completes the meaning of the object, so that is why it is an object complement. And it is not an object because object receives an action and complement does not receive action but just describe the subject of an object. Well guys, if you have enjoyed the lecture, then please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.